20-second question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. It's asking for the most logical transition. Generally, you want to see whether what comes before and after the blank shows similarity or difference. Here we get a main idea here, and then it says first, blah, 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 blah. We could expect the blank to say something like next or second, and boom. Answer choice D, second is your answer. Instead and still would show difference. Specifically, what comes after is not what's more specifically stated to what comes before. See the full-length video. Go to YouTube, IV Masters Learning Center. When you go to the playlist, click on the test and module number. This is test 3 module 1. The longer videos just above these shorter videos. And click subscribe and check out this other transition video up here. Have a great day.